Dobro Parshaloved. Do you remember what that means? It means welcome. Welcome to my Russian language learning series. This is the 8th lesson of the series. Today we will learn how to say our names and ask others for theirs in Russian language. Let us start. Repeat the words after me. Okay, so first let us understand how do we tell our own name. The sentence is Menya Zavud dash, and in that dash you fill your name. Menya Zavud, your name. Menya means my and Zavud means name. Menya Zavud. It's simple, isn't it? For example, Menya Zavud Anush Mangal. My name is Anush Mangal. Menya Zavud Anush Mangal. Repeat after me. Say your own name. Menya Zavud, your name. Menya Zavud, your name. My name is Anush Mangal. It's very simple. It's just one sentence. Menya Zavud Anush Mangal. Okay, so let us now move on to asking someone else their name. Repeat the words after me. The first sentence that we have is Kak Tebya Zavud. Kak Tebya Zavud. What's your name? It's the informal way of saying Kak Tebya Zavud. Kak means what? Tebya is your and Zavud is name. Kak Tebya Zavud. If you want to just casually follow up with someone, if somebody else has asked your name and you replied to them and you want to ask to them casually, just in a follow-up question, you would say Tebya. That means and your. For example, you would say my name is Anush Mangal and your. It's like Tebya. Next we have Kak Vas Zavud. Repeat after me. Kak Vas Zavud. Kak Vas Zavud. That's the formal way or the respectful way of saying what's your name. You can use it with elders, you can use it with strangers. Kak Vas Zavud. It's preferable to use this one because it's more respectful. Kak Vas Zavud. So if you meet a teacher or an elder and you want to say Здравствуйте, Kak Vas Zavud, that means hello, what's your name? Здравствуйте, Kak Vas Zavud. Okay, so let us now look at an example dialogue between me, Anush, and Ivan. I am introducing myself to Ivan, so I start. I start with Здравствуйте, меня зовут Anush. А тебя? For example, I am saying hello, my name is Anush. And yours? Здравствуйте, hello, меня зовут Anush. My name is Anush. А тебя? And your? And Ivan says Menya Zavut Ivan. He says, my name is Ivan. Menya Zavut Ivan. It's simple, right? Okay, so I have a challenge for you today. Write your name in Russian alphabet in the comments. Just write Menya Zavut and your name in Russian language. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video, we'll learn how to say where you are from and ask others about their country. It's important to continue the conversation, right? So do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Spasiba. До свидания.